Well, the winter of 2019-2020 in portions of Ontario and Quebec wasn't exactly the most vigorous. There was still some pretty big storms, especially during the second half of winter. This one from around February 26th.
Massive blizzard is headed towards Ottawa, Ontario on Wednesday, February the 26th.
Where spots saw up to around 30 to 45 or so centimeters of snow. That equates to around 10 to 15 inches. Cardiff picking up 46.5 centimeters from that storm, 26 centimeters in Barrie. Toronto picking up around 15 centimeters. The spinning swirl on satellite, those thick clouds, were very noticeable due to a strengthening low pressure center across eastern Ontario and towards western Quebec. This produced low barometric pressure and thus very gusty winds, with some gusts upwards of around 40 to 50 miles per hour, really blowing and drifting that snow around. The low visibilities and the slush and slippery conditions caused a lot of different traffic-related issues. Unfortunately, over 200 accidents were reported in the Greater Toronto area. Hundreds of different accidents happened around Ottawa and Montreal as well, with many people losing power due to the winds and heavy snow falling. While winter 2019 and 20 wasn't a record breaker, there was still a fair share of snow and cold. If you're a snow and ice management contractor or a municipality and have to make decisions around the weather, which you all do, you can save thousands of dollars by being with a team that knows winter weather and knows the snow and ice management operation. We have impact-based forecasts that are very detailed to give you peace of mind.